Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And for today, I'm going to show you how you can use the Playground AI image generation tool. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Playground AI website and log in with your Google account. Once you've logged in with your preferred Google account, you'll be brought to the image editor of Playground AI itself. As you can see, the user interface of Playground AI can be a bit intimidating, but by looking at each element on this user interface, you can easily identify where you'll find what you need to do in order to start generating images. On the left-hand side, you'll see the filter option. This is less of an Instagram filter and more of a personal style to apply to all generated images. You can either have no style or choose a specific style to have for all your images. Below it, you can exclude certain details and prompts from images, for example, removing certain things like trees or other backgrounds. On the right-hand side, you can choose the AI model that will be based on all your AI-generated images. For now, I like setting it to Stable Diffusion XL since it's what I'm familiar with in the realm of AI models. You can also see a list of the options for image dimensions, prompt guidance, quality and details, and the number of images for each prompt that you give the AI. In order to start generating your first image, go to the generation frame in the center of your screen, and there's a text box underneath said frame. Within that text box is the prompt you're going to be giving the AI in order to generate your image. For now, let's start a beautiful blonde Korean girl with eyeglasses. As you can see, these AI generated images aren't exactly perfect since these pictures don't even have the Korean girl with eyeglasses. If we change the filter on the left hand side though to something like warm box, let's try regenerating the prompt that we initially gave it. As you can see, by changing the filter from cinematic to warm box, we've actually gotten an image of the prompt we were looking for. Now for the second image, let's try using a royalistic filter. As you can see, Playground AI can regenerate the images in real time using a very nifty and user-friendly experience. Now, let's make a third image by dragging the generation frame from the second image to an empty space right next to it. Now, for the third image, let's change the prompt one more time into something like this, a goddess in the river. As you can see, you can use the tools on the upper middle part of the screen in order to move and drag and drop and view all your images. Now, all these images are automatically saved as you're editing them, and if you click on the icon on the upper left corner next to the Playground AI image, you can see all the different canvases or different projects that you have where you generated all these images. One final note is that Playground AI is also a free-to-use program, but if you want to unlock all the features of this amazing AI generative tool, well, there is a pricing plan or in a subscription basis model. And that's really all there is to using Playground AI for generating images on the fly. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Like this video if you feel like you've learned something new, and we'll see you all in the next one. Take care for now.